it's Tiger Trades or EBITDA Tiger or Jackson. Anyways, my next trade, which I'm going to be entering today, is going to be FCX, which is essentially a copper miner. You know, they do have other ores and whatnot, but copper is their main drag. They trade about like a 21 PE ratio. Market's at like a 19 PE, something like that. That's what the S&P is trading at last I checked. So it's not too overvalued compared to some things out there. But the main thing is, one, the technicals, two, the macro tailwinds, and then three, just with the whole EV charger necessity that's now become very apparent. We're going to need more copper for those wires and for those stations. So anyways, it's bull flagging, looking pretty nice here. It started that in January of this year, and it looks like it has ended as of July 11th. So it's really starting to break out here from this bull flag, and I do think it's going to fully retrace here because it looks like it's got this in the bag today. So my price targets are much higher, because this thing, let's see, peaked out at 52. Yeah, I could see this thing going to 60 with just the way the future is going to be and what's going to be needed, and how China's playing hardball with the precious metals and things that we need. So besides the bull flag, they also have earnings coming up on the 23rd, which should be pretty killer. I believe their margins have been coming down, but their free cash flow is better than it used to be, and their cash and cash equivalent is better than it used to be. Debt has remained what appeared to be about the same level, so that it appears they're managing better under the hood. Final thing I'll mention is two last things I'll mention. There's the MACD bullish cross here on the daily and the weekly, and if we go to the daily and turn back on my moving averages, you'll see what looks to be a potential golden cross here, which is when the 50-day, the blue, crosses up through the 200-day, the yellow, which signifies a major shift in momentum and direction. So that should carry the stock much higher because there's a lot of traders that trade off that. Yep, that's all. FCX, copper, EVs, you got it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.